Most men won't say, "I'm depressed." They might not even realize it themselves. Mental health issues in men often show up differently. Not always as tears or sadness, but as anger, silence, or escape. Many men have been taught to man up, to not cry, to handle it on their own. So when they start to suffer mentally, they bury it, and the warning signs become easy to miss. That's why we need to look deeper. Behavioral signs. Greater than here are some of the most common behavioral signs a man might be struggling with his mental health. 1. Irritability and anger. He may snap over small things. Constant frustration or short temper can be a sign of internal distress. 2. Withdrawal. He might isolate himself, stop answering messages, spend more time alone than usual. 3. Risk-taking or self-destructive behavior. This could include reckless driving, binge drinking, or even getting into fights. 4. Losing interest. He might stop doing things he used to enjoy. Hobbies, sports, even time with loved ones. 5. Overworking. Throwing himself into work to avoid thinking or feeling. Physical and emotional signs. Greater than mental health affects more than just thoughts. It affects the body too. Watch for these physical signs: constant tiredness, difficulty sleeping, changes in appetite, weight gain or loss, headaches or muscle pain without a clear cause. Emotionally, he might seem numb, flat tone of voice, no spark in his eyes, a sense that he's just not there. These are not just bad moods. They could be warning signs. The mask men wear. Greater than some men hide it well. They joke around, go to work, smile in public, but inside, they're crumbling. Just because someone looks okay doesn't mean they are. This is the mask many men wear. Pretending to be fine, laughing to hide the pain. That's why we must look past the surface. Listen for what they say. Greater than sometimes men do speak, but we don't always hear them. They might say things like, "I'm just tired all the time. I don't care anymore. What's the point? Everyone would be better off without me." These aren't harmless comments. They can be clues to deep mental pain, and even suicidal thoughts. Take these words seriously. Ask questions. Listen fully. How to help. Greater than if you think a man is struggling, don't wait. Here's how you can help. Ask him directly. "Are you okay, really?" Listen without interrupting or trying to fix it straight away. Encourage him to talk to a doctor or therapist. Offer support, not pressure. Check in regularly, even with just a short message. And most importantly, let him know that asking for help is not greater than. Mental health struggles in men are real. They're common, and they're often hidden. But you don't have to be a doctor to help. You just have to care. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone you love. You never know who might be struggling right now. Subscribe for more content about mental health, healing, and support. And if you're struggling yourself, please remember this. You are not alone. You are not weak. You are worth helping. You are worth saving.